What's 9 plus 9, class?
18.
Okay. What is negative 7 plus negative 7? Same sign, add and keep, so I've got negative 14. What's the answer on number 3? Negative, negative, negative equals negative 9. Showdown number 4. You ought to be able to show that one real quick. Good, 15, I agree. What is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? What is that? Cooper? 24, is he correct?
Yes.
How many of you decided I don't want to do repeated addition and multiplied 6 times 4? It's a lot quicker. I've got negative 4 times. What is the answer? Negative 4 plus negative 4 plus negative 4 plus negative 4. I am seeing negative 16. And if that's what you said, you're correct. Okay? Well, let's see what you know. This is just to see what you know. You may or may not know all these answers and get them right. 7 times 2, class? 14. That's okay. 9 times negative 7. Write the answer on your board and showdown. You're not being graded. I just want to know what you know. 9 times negative 7. Okay, you all agree that it's 63, but the fact is it's negative 63. What's negative 6 times 8? Showdown. Negative 6 times 8. You at least can do the 6 times 8 part. You may not get the positive or negative right, but you can at least do 6 times 8. Negative 6 times negative 8 equals negative 48. Okay, let's see how good you are. Negative 8 times negative 10.
Oh, I already got that.
Negative 8 times negative 10. Showdown. Ladies and gentlemen. 80. Okay, voices. 6 times negative 5. You love to hate. 6 times negative 5 equals negative 30. Negative 5 times negative 12. You hate to hate. You actually love. So multiplying integers. Okay? Multiplying integers. Here's the key right here. Multiplying integers with the same sign. The product of 2 integers with the same sign is always positive. The product of 2 integers with different signs will always be negative. We say, if you love to love, that equals love.
See, if you hate to hate, you have to look.
Positive, positive, positive. If you hate to love,
Oh, you hate to hate.
you hate
You see, I hate to love. And then you
negative times positive,
equals
negative.
You see, I know this.
If you love to hate,
You have to love. Love to hate. It equals.
you're still hating.
Yeah, you see.
Negative,
Because someone hates
positive, times negative equals negative. And if you hate, to hate, you're kind of like me on that book, and you're in love.
What? Oh yeah.
Okay? Guess what? There's a song for it.
No.
Listen up. Listen up. Let me. Miss Shelley? Okay, Altamont. Turn your mouths off right now. I want you to turn your mouths off. All of this is really easy if you can keep it straight. Okay? That's why we're going to give it the shot right here.
Multiplying and dividing
Wait a minute.
integers.
I gotta find. There's gotta be. There it is. Now you know. Multiplying and dividing. Use different signs. Use different signs. You will get a negative. You will get a negative. Now you know. Now you don't know. Multiplying and dividing. Use the same sign. Use the same sign. You will get a positive. You will get a positive. Now you know. Now you know. Multiplying and dividing. Use different signs. Use different signs. You will get a negative. You will get a negative. Now you know. Now you know. All right, I had Miss Shelley hand you the words to the song, so you have them. And I hole punched it for you. Okay? All right, now then. You will have homework. Depending on how much time you get to do it in, depends on you right now. Okay? Take what you just did. Take the hate to hate. Take that little verbiage. Or take the song, but give me the final answer of -5 times -6. And showdown. Don't look around. Use the song. Multiplying and dividing. Use the same sign. Use the same sign. You will get a positive. You will get a positive. Now you know. Now you know. Showdown. Okay, if you got 30, you're correct. There's your song. There's your song again. You've got it. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Right here is the divider. Okay? I got two groups. Yeah, it's coming. We're going to do it as a round. Let's see what we can do. Okay? Get this stuck in your head.
Got it.
Okay? You guys are going to start it. 1, 2, 3. Multiplying and dividing. Use the same sign. Use the same sign. Multiplying and dividing. Use the same sign. Use the same sign. You will get a positive. You will get a positive. Now you know. Now you know. Multiplying and dividing. Use different signs. Use different signs. You will get a negative. You will get a negative. Now you know. Now you know. All right. Nice job. Okay. I want A. 3 times -4. times -4, showdown.
I got it. Very
To be -7 times 4.
I got it very fast.
Focus and showdown. Come on. -28. Okay. Stop the chit chat. Number 1. What's number 1? The answer to number 1, Mr. Ince. 25. What's the answer? 4 times 11. 4 times 11, Paige. 44. Nothing changes there. -1 times -9 is Sophia. Whoa, look at it again, babe. Use the same sign. So it's got to be a 9. Number 4, 12 times -2. Alice. She says -24. Is she right?
Yes.
All right, now let's see what you know. I got -10 times -10 times 0. What's the correct answer, Cooper?
0.
Why, Cooper?
Because -10 times -6 equals 60, because two negatives equals positive. And then 60 times 0 is 0.
Okay, when you see one like, the way he worked that out was right. He said, I multiplied -10 times -6, I got a positive 60, multiplied it by 0, and I get 0. The shortcut is, the minute you see multiplication of 0, it's just 0. You stop right there. Because 0 times any number is
0.
That's the multiplication property of identity. 0 property?
0 property.
The 0 property multiplication. Okay, moving forward. Oh, you will see this. Okay, listen up. You will see this in your homework. You need to pay attention. This, the negative symbol is in that parenthesis. So the top one is saying -2 times -2. What do you get when you do -2 times -2? Kenai says I get 4. He's correct. This one, the bottom one, is saying the opposite of 5 times 5. The opposite of 5 squared. Well, what is 5 squared? 5 times 5 is
25.
But then it wants the opposite. Okay, voice off. Voice off right there. Listen to what Mrs. Rakestraw is saying. Remember in doing some of this stuff, they've been giving you that negative symbol in the parentheses. And I told you, the negative symbol in the parentheses, that's to keep it together. That's so you don't separate that negative symbol out of it. Okay? So if it's kept together like in -2 close parentheses squared, that's saying square everything that's inside the parentheses. The other one, though, that says the opposite of 5 squared. This one here is read as, that is read as the opposite of 5 squared. Okay? And so you square the 5 times 5, and then you put the opposite of that for your final answer. Okay? Let's see if you get it. Give me the correct answer on your whiteboard without showing anybody else for number 9 there. Showdown. Okay, boards down. This says negative 3 times negative 3. What is negative times negative? It's gotta be positive. Now, 3 times 3 is?
9.
So this has to be a positive 9. Okay? Now, show me number 10. What do you get when you do number 10? The power to the second power tells you that you are multiplying the base by itself twice. Do you agree? So the base in this case is what number?
Negative 7.
No man, no sir, and no ma'am. The base is not negative 7.
7.
The base is 7. This one says the opposite of 7 times 7.
That's 49.
I saw several people tell me that that should have been negative 14. You did not take 7 times 7. You took 7 times 2. So note, whenever you're doing the powers, this power up here above, if I was to say this power right here, that is giving you how many times you're multiplying the base by itself. Okay? Fist to 5, how do you feel about what you've seen? You're ready to try a little bit.
I feel
And notice I said a little.
I feel good.
There's your assignment.
Yeah.
Now then, 7th grade, if you turn your voices off and get busy, you've got about 13 minutes that you can get this done. Or at least get it started.